on to the next. Front, back, yeah, we do it like that. Right side up and upside down.